Mom, I'm home. Mom?
Earlier today, the Marian Federation has held a large-scale military parade as they declare martial law. Hours after, the Marian Defense Forces launched a ground offensive against the Republic of Serbia. In response, the Serbian government has declared a state of emergency. As of now, convoys of civilian ground forces are being deployed to the front. Currently, the Serbian armed forces has been able to push through the border and created many defensive positions. The situation is currently developing. More on that later.
Dad always had said that a soldier protects what he loves. Beginner's luck! Oh, tens! How did you do that? You grew up on guns? No, sir. This is this recruit's first time shooting a rifle, sir. Recruit! Adrian, report to Officer Dimitri, now! You wanted to see me, sir?
Adrian, the nation is in desperate needs of more troops, especially those in armored vehicles. A soldier like you restore my faith in this army. Here, have my helmet. You'll do good in battle.
Thank you, Sir Dimitri. I'll keep this on me all the time. Thank you so much. It truly means a lot to me, sir.
Alright everybody, settle down. An MDF compound has been spotted near our borders. The MDF compound is surrounded by 3 SAM sites. These will be taken down by the 604th Fighter Squadron. After that, the 15th Air Assault Regiment will be able to airlift your tanks and land ground troops.
Good. I see that you are alive and confident. That is what I like to see. Now, I'm gonna promote you to tank commander. You'll do good.
Oh, before you go, Adrian, with your new tank crew, to Bangai and report who went in and out. By the way, don't go inside the city. Driver, move towards city. I want to get into action. There's literally nothing out here.
But sir, our orders are to stay here.
I am the order.
Moving.
Target 50 meters. We are gonna head further in the city. Be safe.
Ow!
Incoming Abrams heat!
Congratulations! You saved two good men. Rest in peace to your kangaroo. I must not take that honor. My crew died because of my recklessness. This grief is not something one man can handle alone for so long. I must resign. I understand, Adrian. It is not very easy to move on from such things.
I think it's time we stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. There's battle lines being drawn. Nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds are getting so much resistance from behind. Time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. What a field day for the heat. 1,000 people in the street, singing songs and a carrying sign.